You ever get a big box? You ever get a really big box of something to review and you just can't even see the camera? Well, that's today. We got the Ninja Hot and Cold Brew, and I made sure it's not iced coffee, it's cold brew. So we have the hot and cold brew system right here, and I know this works. You know why I know this works? I don't know how great it works, but I know it works because the kids have it. So they got it, I think, for their wedding or something, and that's... What?
They got it as a Christmas gift.
Oh, they got it for Christmas? All right, they got it for Christmas. There, I've been corrected. That's why I love Tammy so much. She's always there to tell me when I'm wrong. Let me just mention some of the features that it has, because there's a whole list of it on the box right here. And, it's fresh 10-minute cold brew. Oh my goodness. I used to do it overnight. So cold brew in 10 minutes is pretty cool. And there's no pods in this. So basically you don't waste plastic anymore. How great is that? It also has a carafe. It's got a smart scoop. What's a smart scoop, honey?
It tells you right here. It says actually measures coffee or tea for every size.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. And then, so Tammy just told me it has a smart scoop. It also has a fold-away frother, if anybody froths. Okay? That's some good stuff. This is a really nice looking system. I haven't tried working with it yet. I haven't had coffee out of it yet. So we're going to open this up. We're going to try the frother. We're going to make a carafe of coffee. We'll make a cup of coffee. Different sizes and everything. So the smart scoop is instead of the pods. So it'll tell you want 1 cup, you want a large, extra large, you scoop to this level, that kind of a thing. So anyway, let's get this open. This is the Ninja Hot and Cold Brew system. And this baby looks beautiful. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. You got your 2 filters over there. You got your smart scoop, and that goes on over in here somewhere. Hold on. Yeah, that goes right here. So it's got its own little home for the smart scoop. How's it going there? Is that it?
Yes.
There it is. That's it. I had it backwards. So it pops right out. Use the smart scoop. Put it right back in. Ta-da! Okay. Look at this beautiful carafe. It's beautiful size. This is smooth. All right, let's get our filter in. There we go. It's in there. Look at this. This is nice. You can clean it out. What's this little button for? I'm still learning this myself. These are all your settings. You got classic, rich, over ice, cold brew. So you can do iced coffee, cold brew coffee, and then like lattes, specialty coffees, classic. I'm gonna do probably let me see. Probably rich. Okay? I'm gonna do rich. I'm not sure what this herbal black is.
That's for tea.
Oh, those are tea settings. Got it. Well, we're not messing with that. Then you can set, are we going to do like half a carafe?
No, just do a cup for right now.
Just a cup? All right. We're going to do
We're going to do a cold brew after this.
Oh, we're doing a cold brew. Cool. All right. So let's pull the carafe out. Let's get a cup. All right. We're going to put a regular cup. Look at this. I got to show you this, guys. Look. This little lever comes down. Look at how nice that is. It's so cute. And it holds the cup right there. So we're going to leave the cup right there. And, we still have to open it up and put our coffee in. And as you rotate it, the base rotates. It's really cool. This allows you to pull it open. I'm sorry, it's like Christmas. Okay, so let's grab the smart scoop. We don't want to be stupid. And how many do we want to use on the smart scoop again? What did it say?
For a cup, it says 2 to 3.
It says 2 to 3 for a cup?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so can they see this?
I don't know. Yeah, they can.
Okay, good. All right, so just go ahead and put your scoops in 2 to 3. Make it strong, 3. We're doing rich too. Well, I better go to classic then. I'm doing, there we go, classic.
There's 3.
We're just doing classic today, okay? We're going to show you the frother also, so hang in there. I'll show you that in a minute.
Dang.
Okay.
You gotta have water.
All right, let's close it up. We're gonna get the water. Get the water reservoir filled up. All right, guys, let's give this a try. It smells really strong. It smells really rich, and it smells really hot. I can feel the steam. Oh, wow. If that makes me shiver, that's some good coffee. I haven't put cream in it or sweetener or anything. I just drinking it black. A lot of you like it that way, but that definitely made a great cup of coffee. So we're gonna do a cold brew next. Then we're gonna try the frother, so we can show you how that works. And if everything is a home run, so far it's a home run. I haven't had good coffee like this in a while because that guy over there has been putting out some really gas station crap. All right, guys. I'm not sure when I'll be frothing my milk. I got to do a little research on that, why I would want to froth the milk. But we're going to test it out anyway. And the video instruction that they have is you've put like a little bit less than half, half and half, or heavy cream or whatever that you're going to put in your coffee, and you get it like that, okay? Then you put this in the microwave for 40 to 45 seconds. If you want it heated, if you don't want it heated, you can do it like this, okay? So I'm gonna heat mine because it's gonna go into the coffee warm, all right? So let me go to the microwave right now and we will get it in here. I got warm half and half. It took a little bit longer because it came out of the fridge cold. So we're gonna try this by myself. Maybe I can do it. Yeah, burning my hand. Very hot, but working. Remember now, when you're done frothing, wow, it like almost doubled in size. When you're done frothing, this comes out. And I believe it's a clockwise? Is it counterclockwise?
Just that quarter twist.
Quarter twist, and you drop out. Here you go. And lay it right there. All right, now I got my coffee, which is black and bitter because it has no cream or anything. This almost looks like whipped cream, but we're gonna drop some in. So it looks great. It's foamy white stuff on top. It's beautiful looking. It's got a good color to it. So let's give it a try. That's pretty good. Mm-hmm. All right, so that's how you froth. All right, if you're into that kind of thing, this thing just folds right back in, and that's good. Now off to the cold brew, and they said 10 minutes, so we'll see what happens. Okay, guys, we're gonna do a cold brew. I just want to be very clear about this. Cold brew does not have to be cold. We're gonna make an iced cold brew. That's what we're doing. Okay, you can have a hot cold brew. It means it's brewed with cold water. It's not, there's no hot water used, okay? So, anyway, we're doing an iced one with 2 cups of ice in here. We're gonna let it filter into here. It says it'll take 10 minutes. If you've ever had cold brew coffee that is brewed with cold water or room temperature water, it literally is smoother than black coffee. All right, 10 minutes passed by. You can hear it make sounds when it's done. I don't know. It's kind of like a grinding sound, really. But you could see the color, the smoothness, that it probably is a cold filtered, nice, smooth taste. So let's give it a try. Okay, why do I do cold brew? Some people don't like the bitterness of coffee. You don't have to put things in, and you can just drink it black. It's a much better taste. On ice, it's great. You can heat up cold brew coffee. It just needs to be brewed cold. All right? So let's give this a taste. That's it right there. That's it right there. Bada bing, bada boom. Right there. They did it. 10 minutes. I used to do it overnight. 10 minutes. Can you believe it? All right, so I'm going to add a little bit of cream to this because I like cream in my coffee, not because it's bitter. The black stuff I had over there was a lot a lot more of a harsh taste to it. But this is beautiful. All right, guys, so I highly recommend this all around for frothing milk, for cold brew, for regular coffee, for carafes, for cups, for tumblers, for whatever you want it to be, okay? Go ahead and get yourself one and enjoy.